white hair becomes black, without chemistry and without dye. It darkens the hair, straightens it and grows fast. Today I will share with you a tip to disguise or cover up white hair, in a natural and healthy way. This recipe will take care of the health and beauty of your hair without spending too much. Besides giving shine, it will bring a lot of strength and darkening to white hair in a gradual way, i.e., the more you do it, the better the result will be. So tell me, where are you watching me from? With only 2 ingredients you can prepare this recipe. The first one is instant coffee. You can use your preferred brand. The second ingredient is the tomato. Tomatoes are all good for our hair. It is rich in nutrients, such as vitamins, fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium, and lycopene. This set of components makes tomatoes interesting for offering several benefits to the hair. One of the major benefits of tomatoes for hair is hair loss control. Tomatoes have lycopene in their composition, which is rich in antioxidants, and also gives them a reddish color. Therefore, when applied to the scalp, it acts directly against hair loss. In addition, it also helps hair growth, combats hair loss, conditions the hair naturally, keeps hair shine up to date, treats and reduces hair stains, removes unwanted odors from the hair, treats dry and brittle hair, leaving it more beautiful and healthy, acts against dandruff, hydrates the hair naturally and efficiently, and removes green color from blonde hair. Let's cut the tomato into small pieces and place them in a food processor or blender. Blend it well. Next, we will strain it so that only the juice remains. Add 2 small spoons of instant coffee. Coffee is a natural stimulant colorer. And because of this, it is not surprising that it also enhances growth in the hair region. Coffee has 95% caffeine, which helps cleanse the scalp and stimulate growth, as well as inhibiting hair loss. Let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also add in 1 tablespoon of castor oil. When we put the coffee in our hair, we increase the blood circulation and, consequently, the hair will grow faster. The recipe is ready. Just stir it well until you get a homogeneous consistency and apply it to your hair. The application can be done with the help of a brush, covering the entire scalp, from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then remove the recipe with plenty of water and wash as usual with shampoo and conditioner. You can do this recipe once a week and it can be done on all hair types. And for those who don't have white hair yet, it will help to delay the premature aging of the hair shaft, as well as help it grow. Guys, I would like to pass on a message to you that is in Psalms chapter 46 verse 1. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. This text shows us that God is the best refuge in the world, better than any other. Remember that, and you can consider yourself safe. He is always willing to help us. All we have to do is seek Him and He will come to our aid, protect us from all evil, and comfort us in trouble. Until the next video. Bye bye.